Welcome to another episode on my fischertechnik monorail, controlled by fischertechnik robo interface, connected to this BeagleBoard Classic running Ubuntu Linux, which is connected serially to a USB hub, which is then connected to the interface, a serial connector to a Minicom serial terminal, and HDMI connector, which is connected to this monitor, which is now standby but is critical when booting it. In an earlier episode I also showed that I just can use the monitor to log in into the BeagleBoard and do stuff. But it's problematic to record anything, so I'll stay with the VNC, which is over the network nowadays. It used to be over this Wi-Fi connector, USB to Wi-Fi, and now it is to a USB to Ethernet, which I showed you last time and the time before that. So hopefully everything works, and last time I had a problem with that. I could start and stop and everything, but it would not do anything until I cycled power. So, being very curious how things will go now, as you can see, everything is now addressed. So let's start the program and see whatever happens. Well, there's no problem in connecting now. As you can also see on the oscilloscope with the blue line right there. Last time I also extended the counterweight here, and if that may not be enough, I still have some at hand. But facing the same problem over and over, it stops, starts, stops and starts. So now's the nice question. If I put a probe here somewhere, will I get the same signal, the correct signal? So let's take that particular probe. Let's see how I do it. Right, and I am trying here, and yes, it shows a clear signal. Oh, you can't see that, of course, so let me put it this way, and then you can clearly see that it has a signal. You can clearly see that this has a signal. So why doesn't it do anything? Well, let me tap and then it works. But that did it before. And last time I changed this setting. I pulled it higher. It was something like here, and now it is here. And according to the program, it should go that way. So let me lower the camera a bit. Question is though, does it work? Why is it working there, working here, but not working here? Why does it stop? and I still have been able to find that out. Now everywhere are the lamps, so let me move it a bit. Alright. So now on screen there everything is 1, every sensor is 1, so I interrupt the signal. Alright. Now you can clearly see that it's the reverse. And let's see whatever happens, and that is as yet nothing. Variable speed despite the constant speed in the program, and it's not moving again. So there's our focus once again. So the connection failure didn't repeat, and I have taken a short break, and in that break the propellers, so the motor, have stopped, started, stopped, started and stopped, and the stop is the latest situation. Now as you can see in the output screen, it's still going on. So let us give a tap and see whatever happens. It is now, or should be, on the way to the controller. But the question is, why does it hold? Why does it stop? So I'm going to try it once again. Right here. Rock it a little bit, but the other question is, the roller, what's wrong with the roller anyway? Yeah, it's blown that way. And if I just feel here at the roller, there's nothing wrong. Also, if you look at this yellow line, it's a full signal. So, not quite sure what to think of it. Let's stop this right now. That means if I go to stop it. Okay, I will move it right here. So that means that it has blocked this sensor, well, lamp and sensor on the other end, phototransistor which gives the signal, and let's see again. It starts automatically in reverse towards the controller, and I'm afraid that is all it does. Now, the whole thing you could mention is that a propeller has a good side and a bad side. And that is true. Aerodynamically, the propeller usually goes one way. But I have put the propellers in opposite directions. So the negative or the non-aerodynamical way should be cancelled out. So one is pulling and one is pushing, and that goes for each direction. And that should make it go no matter which direction. So why is it always working in this direction and not in that direction? And here you hear that it gets enormous boosts from something, but it is not, well, it is shaking a lot. But not moving. And that said, let me take a look at the alignment of the wheels, and that alignment is good. And yet nothing is happening. So let me engage with the diagnostics. Motor 2. Yep, that works. And that doesn't. So even that is a big question. So now let me tap. And no result. Oh wait. I have to stop this. So let's move it a little bit here. Go. No result. Here. So actually it's quite a weird thing. That on some parts of the track it goes just like that, and on other parts it says no go. So stop the motor, move it a little bit, go. You go the other way? Yeah, I don't think so. Is there any signal? Yeah, there is. So what if I do something rather bold? Although I actually shouldn't do that. Clip it to the axis or to the axle, but I'd rather not do that. So in general I think that the whole track towards the controller has a big issue. Does that have to do with the direction of the rollers? Well, let me just experiment with that and see how that works out. And unfortunately, every once in a while a recording goes wrong. So this is such a time, and I have to well, look back at what I did during a long recording. So what I did was give it another angle, and I put this one from here to there, and once in a while it rides a bit, stops, writes a bit and stops, and you can see that I am not using my algorithm, but I am using the diagnostics. So can I reverse it? Yeah, and that goes quite well, as you can see. So how about this? Once again, that doesn't go by itself. Neither does this. So let's give tab again. And it writes again, little by little, but it does. Now the big question is, of course, does this have anything to do with the reverse position of the rollers? I'm not sure. Why would it be? On one hand, right now it is pressing the stuff downwards. It's not dragging, it's pushing and pressing. So that may be the explanation. And if that is true, I would have to make one like this and one on the other side as well. So I would have to duplicate this one right here, and I would have to duplicate this one just either here or here as well, with double wiring, of course. And that would explain why in the other situation, the old situation, why it went that way without a problem. So why it went that way without a problem and now it goes like this. But it's standing still right now. Let's give a tap. Because it's standing still, it's not moving. Okay. Although right now you can see that this is still moving quickly. Quicker than the other one, still. So in that respect, compensate with the other direction, has nothing to do with it. So still riddles me why the direction to the end of the track goes faster than to the beginning of the track. No, I still don't know. Alright. Then let's do the algorithm again. Yeah. Alright. Change the direction. What does it do? It should go the same way. It should act the same way as the diagnostics. But does it? Because I just put my hand right in front of here, so it changed direction. but I don't see anything happen right now. So let's force a direction change, and I will hold my hand right here. And then let's see what happens. So yes, it has changed direction. It's not moving. Change direction again. Am I riddled? Yes, definitely. I have no idea what's going on. Why works one thing better than the other? No idea. Alright, and after running another while, just to see how it behaves, I have to come to the set conclusion that it hasn't moved, not a bit. And to show you 10 minutes of a non-moving carriage, not really. So let's do this and see. Wait. So now it's going towards the end of the track, which doesn't really work. So I should be changing the direction now. Yes, it finally changes. And that took at least a few seconds. So let me change the direction again. Alright. And change it again. Okay, that goes much faster. Now let me see what happens first. Another change in direction. Oh, that was a clear view. That was a clear shape. But does it change anything? Not that I can see. So back to interface. Yep. And I can't see it move. Now this I can see move. Yep, there it goes. So the direction of this one and this one doesn't mean a thing. But why, oh why is this direction so hard? I really have to think about it because I don't get it. Okay, while this is running, let's have a little recap of the algorithm. So these are the lamp outputs. These are lamp outputs to signal start, middle or end of track. Well, this is actually nonsense. Well, it is not nonsense, but it doesn't really add to any functionality. Here, if it is between any of the signals, motor 2, which is this one, to the right, full speed. If it is at the start of the track, go full speed. If it is in the end of the, on the other, go the other way, full speed. Okay, let's see the other thing. Alright, so that's about it, I think. Although one other thing is, I have here, oh, now I know this, by the way. Oh wait, this is sleep 2, this is sleep 1, but sleep 1 is connected out. Okay, only sleep 2. But how much delay is in here? How much sleep is it in the diagnostics? That's a good one. Honestly, I don't know. So, what to do about it? So, yeah, the end of a not quite usual episode. Something strange. So I have changed the direction of the rollers, nothing else, and despite that, still that direction goes nice, that direction not quite. What happens when I change the direction? By means of holding my hand here or here. Well, you have seen that sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And what can I do about it? Not much. For me to do something about it, I have to really know the reason why it stops here and why that direction is very different from that direction, because that is still beyond me. And well, next time I will try to find out why. I have ruled out the roller here and the roller on the other side, and I've ruled out the alignment of the wheels. I have theoretically ruled out both propellers. So what else can it be? I don't know. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you like. Much appreciated. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like, and leave a comment. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your appreciation and support by making a donation. More information on my website and at the start of this video. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name as a supporter mentioned on my website, or depending on your pledge on my website as well as in my videos. And that's it. Next time, more experiments, more ideas, and who knows, whatever. For now, once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.